I'll do today. Present for summer. Santarina! Hi! I wasn't sleeping. I swear I wasn't sleeping.
Okay, so for your first assignment today, you need to build a white Christmas PC for a special someone. She has been a good girl all year long. Good luck!
Oh.
Thank you. Don't fall asleep again.
I wonder who's the lucky girl. It's finally complete. Hi, Santarina.
It's so good. Such amazing work. Are you sure it's your first day building this at work?
Yes, my first time.
I'm so impressed. Thank you.
Oh, but wait, Santarina, I haven't attached the mailing instructions from Santa or the reindeer yet.
Oh, I forgot to tell you that I'm the good girl actually, all year long. So maybe you can help me to carry this back to my place.
What?
Okay, she's really first day at work.